customer has a requirement to be able to set corporate, team and individual goals against which to track employee performance. Mid-year, end-of-year and pass appraisals must be supported. Corporate and team goals must be able to be cascaded down the organisation at management discretion, and competencies picked from a library depending on job role. The end-of-year percentage rating must feed into SAP to trigger the eligible bonus payment. The customer also wants a manager to be able to look across the organisation to see which employees have certain competencies or skills to a defined level for succession planning. The solution? My Performance. As well as meeting the requirements stated, there is a drillable management information provided from organisation down to individual level. Recruitment, training, performance absence, capability and skills are all out of the box. Any data in the SAP system is captured and can be reported on. The MI is tailored to an individual organisation using their language, branding and user experience requirements. Only authorised people can see the information.